What if I told you, one of these portable grills could actually ruin your camping trip? Today we're putting the top 5 portable grills of 2025 to the ultimate test. Some can sear a perfect steak anywhere, while others, well, let's just say they belong in the trash. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which grill to take on your next adventure, and which one could leave you hungry and frustrated. All purchase links are in the description. Let's fire these babies up. Starting at number 1. Weber Go Anywhere Gas Grill. Best budget gas grill. For less than $90, Weber's little Go Anywhere actually lives up to its name. At just 13.5 pounds, it weighs about as much as a well-stocked tackle box. At only 19.5 inches wide and 11.5 inches deep, it will fit easily into any car trunk, yet its rack offers a reasonable 160 square inches of cooking space, enough to cook up 6 burgers at a time. The wire legs pivot to hold it tightly closed when not in use, while the porcelain enameled lid and base hold in the heat of the 6,500 BTU burner during cooking. The gas fuel feature and ultra portability of this little Weber grill are hard to beat at this price. Number 2. Cuisinart Portable Charcoal Grill. Best budget charcoal portable grill. Whip up your own flame-broiled burgers on this Cuisinart grill, which costs about the same as a fast food order for 4. At only 14 inches round and weighing 2 pounds, this charcoal grill is small enough to lift with one hand. Just don't forget to latch the lid into place before you try it. The chrome grate still packs in 196 square inches of cooking space, large enough to hold 6 burgers with room to spare. If you're looking for one of the smallest portable charcoal grills on the market, this is one to check out. Bonus, for another excellent charcoal grill option, take a look at the Everger grill. It's a portable grill, prep station, and food container all in one. Number 3. Traeger Ranger Grill. Best portable pellet grill. For the control of gas and the flavor of charcoal, a pellet grill arguably offers the best of both worlds. Traeger's Ranger has several upgrades from its last portable pellet grill, replacing the analog control with digital and improving its temperature control to be accurate within 5 degrees. With 176 square inches of cooking space, this little pellet grill can handle a decent amount of food. And with the keep warm mode, food stays palatable until the whole crew is ready to eat. Here are a few tips for cleaning a pellet grill. It's larger than other portable grills at 21 inches wide by 20 inches deep by 13 inches tall and weighing in at 54 pounds before adding pellets, which you'll have to carry along, so it's best for those with larger cars or SUVs who don't stray too far from where they park. P.S. If you love the brand, check out their new Traeger Timberline XL grill, too. Number 4. FireSense Notebook Charcoal Grill. Best ultra portable grill. When you got a distance to schlep before you make camp, the ultra portability of the FireSense Notebook comes in handy. The clever flat packing design folds open to offer an approximately 200 square inch grill surface that rests on a sturdy 13-inch tall, X-shaped stand. When all closed up, it measures about 18 inches wide by 18 inches tall and an inch thick and weighs just 8 pounds, with handles cut into the sides for easy carrying. The chrome cooking grate is large enough to handle 6 burgers at a time with room to spare, while the sides are deep enough to protect hot coals from wind. That said, it lacks a lid, so food may cook slower than on other grills. And you'll have to tote charcoal with you to use it. Number 5. Blackstone Tabletop Griddle. Best portable grill for camping. Technically this is not a grill, but hear us out. When going camping, especially for more than a weekend, a flat cooking surface is much more versatile for making everything from breakfast eggs and bacon to searing freshly caught trout fillets. Blackstone's 22-inch griddle offers a roomy 339 square inches of cooking space, more than twice the area of the smallest grill on this list. The 2 burners run off a liquid propane canister, with H-shaped burners for even heat distribution. When you're finished cooking, the griddle flips over to form a top for storage. If it's 32-pound weight and overall dimensions of 22.5 inches long by 19 inches wide by 9 inches tall have you wondering how you'll transport it, you may opt for a smaller 17-inch size. Both can be purchased with or without a hinged hood for closed lid cooking, though the lid adds more weight and size. So, which portable grill are you taking on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments. If this review saved you from a terrible purchase, do me a favor, smash that like button, share this with your camping crew, and subscribe for more real-world gear tests. Because trust me, you won't believe what we're putting to the test next. Until then, stay grilling, my friends.